Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. What if you could speak to someone without making a sound? No calls, no texts, only pure thought, sent and received instantly. Sounds impossible, right? But Neuralink says maybe, but not for long. Welcome to the dawn of telepathic communication. Yes, you heard that right. Telepathic communication, and it sounds actually impossible. But this is going to be possible very soon. What happened actually in the year 2016, Elon Musk founded his company Neuralink, and that company Neuralink is developing a brain-computer interface, or in short this is known as BCI, that could turn your thoughts into digital signals. So what is their long-term vision? Their long-term vision is to enable people communicate brain to brain without speaking, without typing or moving at all. Without speaking, without typing or moving at all. Okay, so this is their long-term vision. But their main focus means their early focus is on people with disabilities, so that paralyzed persons could use this facility. That means paralyzed persons could use their brain or could use their mind to control phones or computers. Even they could walk again through robotic limbs. So these are for what? These are for only disabled peoples, means people with disabilities. But later, means at present, this is the primary focus of Neuralink. Neuralink is the name of a company, okay, founded by Elon Musk. Anyway, you know, your brain is actually an electrical storm. Billions, not millions, billions of neurons firing signals. And the chip developed by that company Neuralink captures those digital signals. Okay, captures those digital signals using electrodes. Those electrodes are ultra thin electrodes. Means their thickness is actually less than the thickness of your hair. So by using ultra thin electrodes, they captures the signals. Okay, and transmits those signals to a computer. Now imagine this setup in two people. Yes, imagine this setup in two people. So in that case, what should happen? Your thought becomes code, and that code becomes another person's thought. So you can see that brain-to-brain communication, without speaking, without typing, without moving at all. That means once perfected, this technology, once perfected, people will be able to share their memories, language, everything, without using anything else. Without using anything else means I want to talk about that speaking, text messaging, etc. One thing is required, this chip is required. Okay, anyway, so, and you know that this technology, related to this technology, there are so many ethical questions, means the ethical concerns are there. Like who owns this data? That is one question. Can your brain data be hacked or manipulated? And is this right to play with our brain like this? So many actually ethical questions are there. The technology is so complex. And the related concerns or the ethical questions are also very complex. But if you ask me, is that chip ready today to unlock telepathy communication? No, not yet. But good news is that in the year 2024, that is last year, this is 2025, so last year they implanted a chip in a human. Neuralink, that company, implanted a chip in a human. That means what? That means the future is closer than we think. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. Topic was what? Telepathic communication. Okay. And if you found this video insightful, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.